In this video, I'm going to show you how to create numbered and bulleted lists in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to have this list of car, bicycle, airplane, bus, and computers, and I want to make it bulleted or numbered. So I can select, for example, and come over here to numbered lists. You can check the numbering. You can have different type of numbering styles from 1, 2, 3 with to A, B, C, and so on to the Roman numerals. Let's say I hit on the 1, 2, 3, and you can see everything now to change to 1, 2, 3. And if you want, you can change it to something, another different types of numbering, maybe the Roman numerals, and you can see everything has been changed to that. If you want them to be bulleted, you can click on this, and then you can make them bulleted like this, and you can vary the type. Okay, and if you want to use a defined new bullet, you can click and you can select from the available ones. Assuming, for example, I want to use this, I can just click and now I have it as my own bullet. Okay, so while still selecting, you can still come over here and have different types. You can see we have the subheadings and headings, which later we're going to cover all of this. So but for now, let's keep it at default, at just as simple as the numbering, and you can even define a new number style. And if you have something, you can even put in the number, enter the formatting for the number, enter here, and it's going to be effected. Okay, so once you hit on OK, and you can now see that your numbering had been effected. Okay, let's say I want it to be something like this. Okay, if you found this helpful, please leave a like.